Testimony continues tonight in the trial of one of the three men charged in the death of 19-year-old Cameron Holt. She was shot in Federal Hill last year during a shootout, caught in the crossfire. Casey Baylor is live on your corner outside the courthouse downtown. And Casey, today's focus centered around surveillance footage from the scene.
Earlier today, we heard from a Baltimore police detective who took the stand saying police retrieved multiple surveillance video of the night of that shooting. They had a neighbor ring camera video, surveillance footage from a parking lot on West Hamburg Street, as well as surveillance from a 7-Eleven and a Baltimore City Watch camera. And throughout the morning, he walked us through moment by moment before that shooting occurred. Thursday morning, the lead Baltimore police detective on the case testified inside City Circuit Court. Detective Cesar Muhammad says he arrived on scene about an hour after police officers arrived there. He says he noticed nearly 40 pieces of ballistic evidence in the area. Police found a cartridge casing, a projectile, and shell casings. He says Cameron Holt was already at shock trauma. Not long after, officers learned of a walk-in victim at Johns Hopkins. Prosecutors played surveillance footage showing the moments leading up to the October 2024 shooting. The detective says footage from the early morning of October 27th shows another suspect in the case, Devontae Richardson, arguing with a man driving a purple Dodge Challenger at a parking lot on West Hamburg Street. Video shows multiple people with guns in hand, then they walked away. Detective Muhammad says Holt drives out of the parking lot and parks on West Hamburg Street, and it appears a Nissan Maxima with people involved in the shooting also park on the street. The detective says he spots someone with a gun in the video who assumes, quote, position. When the driver of the purple Challenger drives out of the parking lot, the shooting occurs, and Holt is struck in her car. And we also saw a clip of Cancel Soto's police interview following his arrest in November of 2024. There he admits to investigators that he shot at a car driving off. He also told detectives Holt was a good friend to him and others in the group that was there at that parking lot the night of the shooting. And he says possibly Holt was hit by a bullet one of the people in that group shot that night. Reporting live on your corner in downtown Baltimore, I'm Casey Baylor for WJZ.
A lot of people were out in Federal Hill that night. Casey, thank you.